Blender, primarily designed as a 3D visualization tool, not an engineering tool. Blender uses its own measurement system is called Blender units. One Blender units can be equal to anything you like. If I type 5 in height dimension, this cube objects here can be 5 cm in height, or 5 meter in height, or 5 miles in height. Selecting objects. Blender provides a number of different methods to select objects. Let me unhide the rest of the objects I have added for this demonstrations by holding Alt and hit H key to unhide. Simplest method to select an object in the object mode is left click. The right click is an earlier version. You can see the selected object outlined in yellow. If I want to select more than one object, then I hold the Shift key and use the left mouse click to select. In this case, I am selecting UV sphere and a cube to the sequence. Notice that the outline of the object I selected last is yellow, and previous object's outline became orange, indicating that the cube with the yellow outline is an active object of the selection sequence. Some Blender tools relying on the active object of the selection sequence, like parenting or Boolean tools. Press A key to select all the objects, and press A key twice in quick succession to deselect, or left mouse click in the viewport will deselect. Press A key again to select all the objects. If we want to change the active object in the selection sequence, single left mouse click while holding the Shift key will change the active object. You can see the cone object changed from orange outline to yellow outline. I'm selecting the torus now, and you can see the torus outline became yellow from orange. Double left mouse click while holding the Shift key will deselect the object from the selection sequence. Another way to select the object is by its name under the scene collection. You can find special types of selections under the Select menu in the viewport editor header. I will show you another two select tools. I'm holding a Shift key and selecting few objects. Notice that we are in object mode. I'm changing that to edit mode while some of these objects are selected. Edit mode is the mode where most of the editing takes place. In order to edit the object in the edit mode, the object has to be selected in the object mode. Notice that all the objects I selected in the object mode have outlined black wireframe, indicating it is editable. It turns yellow when you select it. Use the left mouse click in the viewport and drag to select. Drag to select. Rest of the object locked out of editing as it has not been selected in the object mode. Hold left mouse click in the viewport and drag to cover the top half of the sphere, lower half, or the cube. Notice that every time I make a new selection, the last selection getting deselected as in the object mode. Holding the Shift key will add the selection to the selection sequence as in the object mode. I will cover the selecting in edit mode in another tutorial.